This is one of my favorite beaches in Sosua. Protected and private, and not heavily trafficked. Casa Marina. And down at the end, or in the middle of the hotel district beside Sosua by the sea. This is your public entrance. And I see that we seem to have a little bit of a issue with the stairs and some sand coming up here. This doesn't look all that safe these days. See that there's kind of a repair job on some of the steps here. I don't know that I'm should be recommending your passage down here. It doesn't look all that safe, but maybe we seem to have a little bit of sand that's been washing up, or more than a little bit. So this is about as tranquilo as it gets. And these beaches move around with the storms, but well protected inside a couple of rocks. This is Casa Marina here. It's 600 rooms, I think. Man, these stairs are looking rough. Huh. Anyway, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. And this is the third of my recent beach features. I've done many walks on the beach, but not end to end. My first one was Playa Chiquita on the other day on Corpus Christi on Thursday. Today's Saturday. I was down on Playa Alicia, and I don't ever remember walking down to the end of this beach here. And this could be why. What the hell is going on down here? Seems like a whole lot of erosion. The tide doesn't seem to be all that high right now, but you can see that the beach is being carved a little bit down here at the end. I never ever walking down this far before, but I think it was further out this way. Wow. So that's that. Casa Marina. I stayed here for the first time 30 years ago. The beach was not located here. I'm not sure exactly where it was, but apparently this was not it. So one of the more tranquil places, beach-wise. Sosua is great for beaches when you compare it to Puerto Plata or Cabarete. They just have a higher wind profile, constant sediment being stirred up, and you see the ocean is very calm today. And the water's super clear right off the shore. So, Casa Marina Beach, one of my favorites. And down here, you can dive off these rocks or jump off the rocks. You can. I don't. But it's deep enough. Mostly you see the locals up there, bare feet walking on the coral rock. And then jumping off. So that's that. It doesn't take long to walk this beach. And like I showed you the other day, down at Playa Alicia, there's little areas for you to get in and out of the sun. This is one here. Beautiful spot. And I think the next one that I'll be touring will be Playa Chiquita. Similarly, less traveled, not as busy, and protected. Hola! Come to the Dominican Republic. It's better here.